Hi everyone. In this video also I'm going to speak about how to read the four-letter words, and it is related to our first trick, that is when two vowels are working together, the first one does the talking. But the only difference here is a consonant comes in between these two vowels. So that's why they are called as CVCE words. At the end you will find E, and here the E will be silent and let the first vowel say its name. That's why we kept the heading as a silent E. So today I'm going to teach these words to my child by doing some simple activities. So come, let's do it together and help our kids pronounce the words perfectly. Now, this is also a four-letter word, but it will be simple to read if you just understand it, okay? So look here now. When you have a consonant, vowel, consonant, and after that you have E, the E will be silent. Silent means it will not make any sound. Yes? And will let the first vowel tell its name. Like you have here, look here Filza, you have vowel, consonant, vowel. Okay? So when it comes, the E becomes silent here and it will let the first vowel say its name like I. Okay? Now can you just pronounce here Filza, what is the sound of A? E? A. So here I is silent. Okay? So here in between any consonant will come. Any consonant will come. Look here now. I, E makes the sound as?
I.
Very good. O, E makes the sound as? O. Long. O. And U, E makes the sound as? U. Now, Filter, look here. What is the sound? What is the sound of P? What is the sound of L? What is the sound of L? L. What is the sound of A? E? A. So P, L, A, E. And the sound of N? P, L, A, N, E? Plain. Very good. Say loudly. Plain. Now can you tell me here M, A, D, E?
Mat.
Very good. G, A, M, E?
Game.
Very good. T, A, K, E?
Game.
What is sound of K here? K. It ends with K sound. So T, A, K, E?
Take.
Take. Very good. K, I, T, E?
Kit.
How kit here? Only K-I-T is there? No. You
Kite.
have kite. Very good. T-I-M-E?
Time.
Very good. P-I-N-E?
Pine.
Very good. L-I-K-E?
Like.
Very good. Now you have O-E words. Now B-O-N-E?
Bone.
Very good. So this is a bone. P-O-L-E?
Bone.
Pole. It ends with L sound. So P-O-L-E?
Pole.
Very good. N-O-T-E?
Not.
Very good. H-O-M-E?
Home.
Very good. Now you have U-E words. So U-E makes the sound here?
You.
U. So R-U-L-E?
You.
R-U-E? Rue. And the sound of L? L. So L. R-U-L-E? Rule. Rule. C-U-B-E. What is the sound of C? What is the sound of C? What is the sound of U-E?
You.
U. So C-U-E?
True.
Q. Q. It starts with K sound. Q. And the sound of B? B. So C-U-B-E?
Cube.
Very good. T-U-N-E?
Tune.
Very good. Tune. R-U-D-E?
Rude.
Rude. It ends with D. See? The sound of R, the sound of U-E? U. R-U-E? Rue. And the sound of D?
The.
So R-U-D-E?
Rude.
Rude. Very good.
Yay.
Now this is the activity. I made it simply as I found it interesting to check whether my child remembers the short sound of vowels and could differentiate between the short and the long sound of words. So here I made it with only few of these words. You can even make with more such words and could make your child perfect with both the short and the long sound of words. So here I'm going to do it with Filza and let's see how well she could do it. So here in this filza, we are learning these words with the short sound as well as long sound. Okay. So when we have only one vowel, it makes the short sound, and when we have two vowels, it makes the long sound. So now you are aware of the short sound. Yes. Shall we revise? What is the short sound of A? Very good. Short sound of E. Short sound of I. Short sound of O. Short sound of U. Very good. Okay, now when we have two vowels, see, you have here A and E, two vowels. So the first one is going to make a sound. It's going to tell its name. That will be its long sound. A makes the sound as A. Yeah. Shall we do it now? Okay, fine. What is M-A-D? Very good. Mad. Now what is M-A-D-E? What is the sound of A-E? A. So M-A-D-E?
Made.
Made. Very good. R-A-T? Rat. R-A-T? Rat. The sound of A? Rat. Now, if I add here E, yes. What is the sound of A-E? So R-A-T-E? Ray? Very good. Ray. H-I-D?
Hit.
Yes. H-I-D-E. What is the sound of I-E? I. So H-I-D-E?
Height.
Very good. P-I-N?
Pin.
Pin. If I add E, what is the sound of I-E? So P-I-N-E?
Pie.
Pie? It ends. Yes. Pine. R-O-D?
Rod.
Rod. If I add E, now O-E makes the sound as? So R-O-D-E?
Row.
Ro?
Road.
Road. Very good. N-O-T?
Not.
Very good. If I add E, O-E makes the sound as? So N-O-T-E?
No.
No?
Not.
Yes. R-I-P?
Rip.
Rip. I-E makes the sound?
Rip.
I-E makes the sound. I-E makes the sound here as? Look, what is the sound of I-E? I. So R-I-P-E?
Rye.
Ra?
Ripe.
Yes. Now C-U-B?
So.
What is the sound of C? Cub. Yes, cub. If you add E, U-E makes the sound as?
You.
So C-U-B-E?
Cube. Cube.
Cube. Very good. Cube. C-U-T?
Cute.
No, I'm not saying C-U-T. I'm saying only C-U-T. You have U sound as? You have ah sound. You have single U. Ah. C-U-T? Cut. Cut. C-U-T-E?
Cute.
Cute. T-U-B? It starts with T sound. T-U-B?
Tub.
Very good. Tub. T-U-B-E? U-E makes the sound as?
You.
So T-U-B-E?
Tube.
Very good. Tube. So here Fizza, this is the another activity for you. By now you know how to read the four-letter word with a long sound, yes? So in this activity, this girl has lost her home. Here is her home. But she want to know the way to go to her home.
Here.
So will you help her? How will you help her?
Color.
You have to color. Yes, you have to color the long A sound of words. Where you will find the long A sound of words? Where you will have AE words. Okay, when you have AE in a word, it makes the long sound of A. So here in this, you have long sound of E, I, O and U. But you need to color only those with a long A sound. Yes? So now tell me, where is the long A sound of word? Come on, color it with this now. Where is the long A sound of word?
Here.
Yeah, what is that? B-A-K-E?
Big.
Very good. Okay, good. Where is the another long A sound of word in this? Another long A sound, can you find?
Here.
Yeah, what is, okay, that is also, what is C-A-K-E?
Sick.
Huh? What is the sound of C? Yeah, cake. Good. Next word. Yes, SAME.
Sin.
Yeah, good. That's great. Next word. Okay, what is RATE?
Red.
Yes, color it. Now, next long A sound of word.
This.
Oh, what is that? MAKE?
Make.
Very good. Next, where is the long A sound of word?
Here.
Yeah, very good. So, what is FADE?
Fat.
Very good.
Yes.
Yeah, that's great.
Here.
Yes, what is LAKE?
Lake.
That's good. Is the long A sound of word?
Here.
Yes, what is TAKE?
Take.
Very good. So you made the way for the girl Fiza?
Yes.
Yes, by coloring the long A sound of words, yeah? So this is the path for her to go starting from here. She will come here and then go to her home. You help the girl.
Yeah.
And the girl is saying thank you to you.
Yeah.
What do you say in reply for thank you?
Welcome.
Welcome, yeah. You help the girl. Good girl. So, this is the best worksheet that you can make to get your child entertained, as they usually enjoy solving some type of puzzles and to revise and to get perfect with the words. You can even elaborate this by writing more such words by increasing the rows and columns if your child is in a second or the third grade. As my child is very small, so I made it with only few of such words. So I think these are some of the ways to help your child in learning quickly. And I hope you have enjoyed and learned something out of it. If so, please do like and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Um, Thank you. Thanks for watching. I'll surely come up with more such learning videos. So keep watching and take care. Goodbye.